Kim. Welcome back to my channel, Kim's Crafty Creations. I just thought I'd stop by today to share with you a project that I've made for a swap from Tamika over at Scrapdaworld. The challenge that she sets every month is called It's a Link Party. This is number 7 and this is the project she asked us to make. She does a tutorial, so I'll link that down here somewhere and you can watch how to make it. All the measurements and everything are there, so it's really easy to follow along and create something this lovely. What happens is you make the item, you decorate it how you fancy, you make the embellishments on the inside to whatever you're making it for, and you can give it away as a gift. You don't have to send it over to the States, so whether you're in the UK, Europe or America or anywhere else in the world, you can join this in with this. It is fine to join in, she has not got a problem with that. So, the paper I have used is from a Craft Sensations collection. I don't know which one off the top of my head, I'm really sorry. It's just I have got it in, so I'm trying to use them up. The flowers are all what I've got in my stash. These tiny little ones here, these little purple ones, are some that I have made. And this little pink bud, I think, is one that was gifted to me with some other things. This was actually a cream rose, and I spritzed it with some sparkle ink, and it's come up really nice. I don't really think that you can catch the sparkle on the camera though, but never mind, it does look quite pretty. And this is from one of my new stamp sets. I'm not exactly sure which one. Let me look. It's not from that one. Yeah, Daisies, the new Daisy Lane one. There you go, it's from Stampin' Up, Daisy Lane. I get there in the end. It is a magnetic closure, so it does stay closed quite nicely, and when you open it up you reveal 3 sections where you have got some handmade embellishments. In this one I've put 3 little of the file folders, the little mini file folders made with the new We Are Memory Keepers punch board, the little mini one. Ever so cute. You could write a little note in there to give to somebody, or even put it on top of a card like a little topper. That'd be quite nice too. The next one I did was the one that says hello in a blue. And this one with a little banner on as well, and a little flower and some stamens there just for a bit of added interest. But they're nice and cute. Like you say, you could pop them in a little envelope and just leave them on like a co-worker's desk, just to say have a good day and things like that. Another one that I made was some little pegs. Didn't do anything too fancy, just stuck on a few, covered them with paper obviously. Roses, a bit of glitter on them. I actually pulled one of the roses apart for the blue bit here, so I got the little bud in the middle. You know, I tried to do it here, but it didn't quite work the same. But they still look pretty cute. Added a few little pearls on. And I do think they're quite pretty. You know, just nice to hold everything together, I suppose, as well. I'm not going to stick my washing out on washing line with them, don't worry. And the last embellishment I made was some little rosettes. Packaged them up as well, just so they look a little bit prettier. It's a bit nicer gift, isn't it? But I'm sure that a crafty friend would love something like this. Or, if you don't want to put crafts in it, you can always shove some sweets in it and send that off. I'd keep it in my bedroom, actually. There's a thought for a nice young girl. You could put jewellery in it. She could keep her jewellery in there. That would look so pretty. There we go. And that's it. That is it. It's so easy, so pretty and effective. And that is my entry into the Issa Link Party number 7. So, I hope you've enjoyed watching. I hope you like what you see. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time with another video. Bye for now.